Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily change language and also the language of whole iPhone in iOS 14. So what you want to do is just click settings, and when you're going to be in settings, you're going to see, let me show you, the general, click here, and now you just want to click on language and region, and you're going to see here iPhone language and preferred language order. So you just click here and you just choose which one you want. And that's pretty much it. And this is how you do it. You can also change the region, temperature unit, calendar, and everything here. So yeah, thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And goodbye.